Hello everyone. Previously we discussed about the paper 8 about the tissue culture. We have completed 2 units in that. Now we are now coming to paper 7. It is about the plant physiology and it is unit 1 about water relation. First, what is water? Water is a main component of the plant cell. In this we will discuss about the importance of water to plant life. Why water is so important to the plant life? Water is the main component of plant cells. Yes, it is the main component of the plant cell. As we know, many plant functions depends upon the properties of water only. Many plant function depends upon the properties of water only. And since water constitutes 70% by weight in most forms of life, and it can be said that the study of plant physiology is the study of plant physiology is the study of water. For example, I will say one example so that you can understand. The carrot root example of what? Example how the water is main component of the plant. The carrot root is about 85% of water by weight, and the young leaves of lettuce contain 95% of water. So that the physical and chemical properties of water make it suitable for variety of purposes in the plants, and it is the medium in which diffusion of solid takes place in plant cell. And also it is a solvent in which the mineral nutrients enter into a plant from a soil solution, and that they are transported through out of the plant in aqueous medium. Okay, and water imparts turgidity to the plant cells, and it also provide the mechanical support. It also provide mechanical support and rigidity to the plant cells. And in this, several movements of plant parts such as folding of leaflet in sensitive plants, like opening and closing flowers, and the stomatal movements of leaves are due to the water only. And also the growth of plants due to elongation depends on water only. And we all know the water is transparent. This enables the sunlight to reach the chloroplast within the leaves to reach the plants submerged at depths in lakes and the oceans. And also the water is also intrinsically involved with the metabolism. and also it is a source of oxygen evolved in the photosynthesis, and the hydrogen used for the carbon dioxide reduction. And what and it is also a metabolic end product in the respiration also. These tend to